guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best rolling workbenches that are available on the market for their true quality.
My personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Homecom Kitchen Island Rolling Utility Trolley Cart. When purchasing any product, you expect durability and reliability. Homecom Rolling Cart offers these and more to ensure you enjoy its service. With slatted shelving, it has enough freshness thanks to excellent breathability. Also, the small lip design keeps valuable intact, especially in mobility. Get a modern and rustic aesthetic with this cart's pine hardwood construction plus a stainless steel top. The materials also offer maximum strength to bear constant operation. An added advantage is the 3-tier structure to accommodate different sized items. You can choose the placement layout that gives you easy access. Besides, this best rolling workbench comes with 4 smooth casters that move quickly on most surfaces. If you work in an office with hardwood or granite floors, better mobility. Note that there are 2 locking brakes to eliminate movement. Its versatility lets you use in your kitchen to carry and move utensils, dishes, and other items safely. Alternatively, it works well as a home storage utility inside your bathroom, gaming room, bedroom, or dining room. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Trinity EcoStorage NSF Stainless Steel Table. Stand out when working on a project with the Trinity Best Folding Workbench. Boasting of a stainless steel finish, it does not rust and at the same looks more appealing than the rest. Also, you can wipe clean with a damp cloth to remove any dirt or dust. This material is also strong and simple to maintain than others to give you a comfortable use. With an NSF certification and sturdy construction, means more safety indoors. Place all your items that need transport confidently without worrying about breaking. The above mobile cart distributes weight evenly thanks to the feet levelers. Each shelf supports up to 150 pounds and is fully adjustable. Now, you can customize the storage area to fit your demands in the office or at home. Featuring 4 inches by 1 inch casters, with 2 locking, movement is a breeze. The tires are thick and robust to withstand continuous operation on different floor surfaces such as hardwood. Its 48-inch worktop lets you finish up a project comfortably in a standing or sitting position. At number 3, we have the Whalen Santa Fe Kitchen Cart. Whalen has joined the top brand that makes the best rolling workbenches in the market. This one comes with a TV stand feature to let you place your television. That means less floor space use and at the same time a convenient viewing. You can place in your bedroom, office, and other compact sites. Its rugged design can hold a large weight without giving in, unlike the others. Use it to store and transport supplies around your home or for outdoors places. With smooth rolling wheels, moving from one site to the other is easy. Push or pull, depending on the directions that meet your preference. Boasting of a steel frame, it has better strength than other materials. Also, it does not rust, dent, or rust to give you an extended service. Place your valuables on any of the shelves to have easy access. You can keep a smaller load on the upper compartment and bulkier ones on the bottom for better stability. The design of the tires is suitable for multiple surfaces such as ceramic, hardwood, tile, and even linoleum. No more worries if markings and other scuff marks that might damage your floor. The above item comes with clear instructions that improve the setup as well as operation. At number 2, we have the Wen 500-pound capacity 46 by 25.5 inch extra wide service utility cart. Moving heavy load from one room to the other can take a toll if using an unstable product. If you want the best rolling workbench that eases the movement process, you have found it. Wen measures 36 by 24 inches and holds up to 500-pound load. That makes it among the supportive rolling carts in the market. Plus, the use of quality material, including polypropylene, guarantees an extended service. The material does not chip or dent like the others to maintain its original beauty. Moreover, this item distributes weight evenly, even when transporting the heaviest appliances. Cleaning this equipment takes a few minutes with normal cleanup solutions. Use water and mild detergent to wipe dust away from the worktop, legs, and even bottom. An added advantage is the casters made of abrasive resistance material. They don't mark, scuff or mar your floor surfaces, perfect for hardwood, tiles, and granite. Note that the wheels have a 5-inch thickness to add more stability while improving movement control. Furthermore, this gadget lets you push or pull effortlessly with the convenient push handle. The smaller compartments with a cup holder improve storage. And finally, at number 1, we have the Rubbermaid Commercial Products 2 Shelf. Rubbermaid service cart is made in the USA and has an advanced construction. Featuring high-density foam, it is lightweight for easy maneuverability. Not only that, but the material does not peel, chip, rust, or dent, making it super safe. Now you can use it in your ideal location and not worrying about health problems. Another thing is the sturdy wheels that support the heaviest loads. They have enough thickness to hold the entire workbench and valuables weight. Use it to transport materials, supplies, goods, files, and other bulky valuables up to 500 pounds in any environment. Get peerless customization with the included storage compartments, notches, holsters, hooks, and customizable fittings. This mobile bench lets you push with ultimate ease, thanks to an ergonomic handle. The grip provides maximum hand placement to improve control as well as safety. Navigating in warehouses, classrooms, stockrooms, kitchens, and loading docks has never been this simple. We take note of the 5-inch wheels made of thermoplastic rubber that offers excellent shock absorption. They move swiftly and quietly without causing markings and other floor damages. That allows you to transport goods on linoleum, wood, carpet, smooth concrete, tile, terrazzo, and carpet.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.